Hi everyone, my name is Keith and I'm the co-founder of Fabrica AI. So these are my two other co-founders. So at Fabrica AI, what we want to do is to be ChatGPT for inventing new robotics. So imagine a platform where you can just share, I want to invent this robot and invents that for you. Of course, we are not there yet. This is a very difficult platform to invent. We have a team working on it right now, but through that platform, we have also invented our own towel grouting robot. For those of you who are the early bird and have eaten the worm, you have seen our previous video with BEAMP on Cycle 4 with Wohat in introducing our towel grouting robot, which is now out in the market and currently being sold to both Wohat as well as BHCC. So right now, we are actually looking for a new robotics solution to work on, which is why we're presenting here. And these are rather early solutions. So one of the things that we are potentially interested to work on would be marble polishing robot. So the polishing process is quite a long and tedious process. I think for each polishing cycle, it takes about 1 hour per unit, and then you have to go through multiple polishing cycles, and that can easily take up to a day. It's a very repetitive task. How we are going to work on this is firstly using our platform to iterate on conceptual designs so that we can invent robotics faster. So our platform automatically generates as well as tests out conceptual designs in simulation first so that we can skip a lot of the robotics iteration process. And at the same time, there are some technological transferability between our platform or rather our towel grouting robot as well as the robots that I'm about to share. So our towel grouting robot is a single button operated solution whereby it's meant to be really, really idiot proof for the construction workers to use. Because we cannot expect construction workers to use a laptop, upload floor plans and all this nonsense or connect to BEAMP. But what we are trying to do, so what we are doing with our towel grouting robot is that the worker just needs to load the grout, load water, and literally just press a button. And this is the same concept that we are going to apply to any future robotics that we are going to build. And in this case, some of the technical transferability includes using weight tape to mark out boundaries, which is currently being used by a towel grouting robot so that we do not need to upload any floor plans, amongst other things. So the second thing that we are potentially working on is a wall standing robot. And so this is a process that is after the putty, the skim coat, and then right before the painting. This is, again, a very labor intensive process. Probably a standard HDB or a condo will take a day or two in order to complete this whole wall standing process. Now, make no mistake, this is like 2 new robots that we're trying to work on right now. So if this interests anyone, please approach me after this session. But at the same time, if any of you are interested in our towel grouting robot that is currently out in the market, we are part of Cycle 4 3 years ago. So please approach me as well. And also, if any of you are, again, looking to invent your own robot, we can use our Fabricator platform, a bit like ChatGPT, for inventing new robots to help you speed up your iteration design. So with that, you can either approach me or fill up this QR code to just share your thoughts. And this is our contact, or you can just approach me.